And we have a question. How did you develop self-expression in life? Because self-expression is very, very important. I remember before, nung wala pa ako nito, laging pag may nakikita akong hindi okay, kumbaga may kimkim. Until now, that I realized na hindi okay yung magkikimkim. Hayaan na lang natin sila. Di ba may mga times na, halimbawa, may ginawang masama isang tao, hindi mo nagustuhan. Tapos magkikimkim, intindihin na lang natin sila. Tapos the next time, may ginawa ulit. Ang sasabihin mo, intindihin na lang natin sila. The next time, may ginawa ulit. Pero not so bad. It's just light. Pero ang reaction mo, parang pang 100. Kahit 10 lang yung ginawa niya. Why? It's because hindi mo na-express yung self mo prior to that. And because of that, that person na nag-react ka ng 100 sa 10 na ginawa niya will not understand you as well. Sasabihin niya, grabe naman tong tao na to, nag-react agad ng 100, 10 lang yung ginawa ko. Tapos ikaw, since ganun siya nag-react, you won't understand as well. So that happens in life when a person is not expressive in what she feels and doesn't know how to communicate. That's why communication is really important. In that way, if you express yourself, maiintindihan ka na isang tao. That small thing, you need to express and communicate intentionally because you want to understand the person and you want that person to understand you as well. Diba? After that, once you express yourself at nagsabi ka na sa kanya,